Hello, today trading is closed on July 2nd, 2018. Over the weekend, we said the pattern was negative and absent gapping up, we should see lower prices, which we did. During the day, MEJT said higher prices would print, which they did, but it says the move is false and should retrace to 2706.24, most likely by tomorrow's close. Now, tomorrow's half a day, so I'm not going to be a stickler about the time if it happens when the market reopens on Thursday. But that's the target. That's my call, but it's killed before the open if we gap up sharply. Well, it's a positive pattern when you start low and rally all day long. What isn't so positive is when MEJT says that it's going to retrace. You have a wall into the close, and an all-day rally just retests the low of the prior consolidation and fills the gap. Now, this is a general idea on how you count these waves. That can happen many different ways that don't break any rules. This was the count I had, but it's not the only one, and it's not the one I'm leaning towards at the moment. Let's say this is still a leading diagonal triangle, and that's wave 1. It's possible this is an ABC. I know it looks a bit strange, but if you compare A and C, they're related by a 1.618 ratio. Look at wave B, you'll see that's an ABC with A and C being twice A, and look at B, you'll see that's an ABC with C being 1.618 times A. So we have this nice Fibonacci pattern explaining all this action. And what really is confirmation of a sort is we have an impulse down, which if this is right would be wave 3, and then we have an overlapping corrective wave up, which not only just refills the gap, can't even close over any of these prior highs. So the all-day rally was overlapping, didn't clear any prior highs. It's compatible with the impulse being the operative pattern. Of course, if we go over its high, that kills that idea. That would be a stop. So, tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early low. Normally it rallies into the close, but I wouldn't count on that because it's a half session only. And normally, if it isn't going to be a positive day, it drops early. Now, I don't know how we're going to open tomorrow, but this is stopping in a logical place. And if this is, in fact, the start of wave 3, the most likely thing is we'll move down sharply at the open, at the very least under this low, and ideally under this one. But this target will very likely print. Pending the open, expecting to move down right from the open, that's going to be my call. But again, if we move higher, start taking out prior highs, go over this high, that's going to be killed. So that's the stop, and that's today's call.